美式英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
你有兄弟姐妹吗？
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
No, I'm an only child.
No, I'm an only child.
不，我是独生子女。
No, I'm an only child. No, I'm an only child.
Are you married?
Are you married?
你结婚了吗？
Are you married? Are you married?
No, I'm single.
No, I'm single.
不，我单身。
No, I'm single. No, I'm single.
Are you in a bad mood?
Are you in a bad mood?
你心情不好吗？
Are you in a bad mood? Are you in a bad mood?
No, not at all.
No, not at all.
没有，不会啊。
No, not at all. No, not at all.
Is everything okay?
Is everything okay?
一切都还好吗？
Is everything okay? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's okay.
Yes, everything's okay.
一切都好。Yes, everything's okay.
Yes, everything's okay.
Could I ask you a favor?
Could I ask you a favor?
我可以请你帮个忙吗？ Could I ask you a favor?
Could I ask you a favor?
Sure, what is it?
Sure, what is it?
好啊，什么事？ Sure, what is it?
Sure, what is it?
May I use your pen?
May I use your pen?
我可以借用你的笔吗？ May I use your pen?
May I use your pen?
Be my guest.
Be my guest.
请便 Be my guest.
Be my guest.
Need some help?
Need some help?
要帮忙吗？ Need some help?
Need some help?
No, thanks, I'm good.
No, thanks, I'm good.
不用，谢谢，我可以。No, thanks, I'm good.
No, thanks, I'm good.
May I use the bathroom?
May I use the bathroom?
可以借用一下洗手间吗？ May I use the bathroom?
May I use the bathroom?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
好的，当然可以。Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
I should get going.
I should get going.
我该走了。I should get going.
I should get going.
Okay. See you later.
Okay. See you later.
好的，再见。Okay. See you later.
Okay. See you later.
Are you looking for something?
Are you looking for something?
你在找什么商品吗？ Are you looking for something?
Are you looking for something?
I'm just looking.
I'm just looking.
我只是随便看看。I'm just looking.
I'm just looking.
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
我可以试穿吗？ Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
可以，试衣间就在那边。Sure, the fitting room is over there.
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
How does it fit?
How does it fit?
请问合身吗？ How does it fit?
How does it fit?
It fits perfectly.
It fits perfectly.
很合身。It fits perfectly.
It fits perfectly.
What is this made of?
What is this made of?
这是什么材质做的？ What is this made of?
What is this made of?
It is made of cotton.
It is made of cotton.
这是棉质的。It is made of cotton.
It is made of cotton.
How late are you open?
How late are you open?
你们营业到几点？ How late are you open?
How late are you open?
We close at 9.
We close at 9.
我们9点关门。We close at 9.
We close at 9.
Anything else?
Anything else?
还要别的吗？ Anything else?
Anything else?
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
没有其他的。Nothing else.
Nothing else.
How much is the total?
How much is the total?
总共多少钱？ How much is the total?
How much is the total?
That comes to $22.
That comes to $22.
总金额是22元。That comes to $22.
That comes to $22.
Could I have a receipt?
Could I have a receipt?
可以给我收据吗？ Could I have a receipt?
Could I have a receipt?
Here you are.
Here you are.
请拿去。Here you are.
Here you are.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
晚餐吃什么？ What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Pizza and spaghetti.
Pizza and spaghetti.
披萨和意大利面。Pizza and spaghetti.
Pizza and spaghetti.
How often do you cook?
How often do you cook?
你多久做一次饭？ How often do you cook?
How often do you cook?
A few times a week.
A few times a week.
一周几次？ A few times a week.
A few times a week.
What are you cooking?
What are you cooking?
你在煮什么？ What are you cooking?
What are you cooking?
I'm making soup for dinner.
I'm making soup for dinner.
我在煮晚餐的汤。I'm making soup for dinner.
I'm making soup for dinner.
How does it taste?
How does it taste?
味道怎么样？ How does it taste?
How does it taste?
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
味道很不错。It tastes good.
It tastes good.
Let's go out for dinner.
Let's go out for dinner.
我们出去吃晚餐吧。Let's go out for dinner.
Let's go out for dinner.
Sure, I'd love to.
Sure, I'd love to.
当然，我很乐意。Sure, I'd love to.
Sure, I'd love to.
How often do you eat out?
How often do you eat out?
你多久出去吃饭一次？ How often do you eat out?
How often do you eat out?
Not very often.
Not very often.
不是很经常。Not very often.
Not very often.
For here or to go.
For here or to go.
堂食还是外带？ For here or to go.
For here or to go.
To go, please.
To go, please.
外带，谢谢。To go, please.
To go, please.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Do you enjoy spicy food?
你喜欢吃辣吗？ Do you enjoy spicy food?
Do you enjoy spicy food?
No, not really.
No, not really.
不太喜欢。No, not really.
No, not really.